That's it for the module on styles of trading. Hopefully by now you have an understanding of each style and you have somewhat of an idea as to which style or styles might fit you best. The best way to narrow it down is to just try it out on a demo account. You will quickly learn which style best fits you. You'll learn if you're a scalper, a day trader, a swing trader, or a position trader. To summarize, scalpers hold on to trades for a couple of minutes and then close them. Their goal is to close a lot of trades with small profits during the busiest times of the day in the market. Day traders pick a side at the beginning of the day to either buy or sell based on their analysis. At the end of the day, they close the trade no matter what, even if it's for a loss. Swing traders hold on to trades for several days. They don't need to monitor their charts as often, and they get in on trades at swing highs or swing lows. And finally, position traders take trades that last for several weeks, months, or even years. These traders are able to analyze the markets and make profit on large movements over time. Remember, go and demo trade using one of these styles and figure out which style fits you best. Once you find the style that fits your personality, stick to that style. Changing styles every week will not be good to your account. I can promise you that. So I hope this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next module.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.